So now we're gonna learn how to properly record on their chart their prescriptions and products that the patient has taken. So here we can see a prescription sheet that Dr. Kormeili prescribed 2 topicals. We have the rosacea and the relief, and she also made some recommendations on the skincare. Here what we need to do is write the patient's name, date of birth, make sure we have correct shipping address and the correct phone number. At the bottom, Dr. Kormeili will sign. Once the patient is okay with everything, they will go ahead and sign at the bottom as well. Now let's say in this case, the patient only decided to take the rosacea rescue, but they don't want to take the relief. They're only going to be taking 1 prescription, so we're going to go ahead and put a 1 at the very bottom, circle it. We will go ahead and circle the rosacea, which is the one that they are taking, and this one, all we're going to do is just cross it out. You don't want to scribble it very messy, you just want to do 1 line, and you can put not today. For the 3 products, the patient only wanted the sunscreen and the regenerate. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight those, and then I'm gonna just cross out the transform. Okay, once I've confirmed the patient's address, given them the total, they're checked out, we're gonna go ahead and go back to our note, and we're gonna go ahead and go under assessment and plan. We're gonna scroll down, go right here, we're gonna click on it. Okay, so here we can see all the problems that the patient was seen for. We have acne, pigmentation, cyst, subderm, and rosacea. So we want to log in the prescriptions correctly to the assessment and plan. So we have the prescription, which is rosacea rescue. So I'm gonna find the rosacea, click the plus sign, assessment, and we're gonna type in prescription rosacea rescue RX, and we're going to apply the instructions. So it's going to be apply to affected area. If you know the specific area, you, in this case it's the face, so I can put apply to face, QD. Okay, now we still want to log that Dr. Kormeili prescribed the relief, but that the patient declined. So the relief would be for the subderm. So we're going to create assessment and put prescribed relief RX, but patient declined for now. That way we have it in their chart that we did address that concern. Doctor prescribed, but the patient did not want to take. Other than that, we still want to log in the 2, the regenerate and the purely physical. Those are products not necessarily for, the sunscreen is going to be everyday use. The regenerate is also just moisturizer, so we can put it right on this note. We can put purely physical SPF and regenerate serum. That way we know that the patient also took those. At the end, you want to go ahead and go to this blue document, click on it, hit documents, go. You want to see that they have a folder that says RX. If they don't, you want to create a new one, which will go right here. New folder appears, I slide it, rename RX, rename. We're going to click on it, and we're going to take a photo of the prescription. Once that's done, these prescriptions need to be faxed. We'll go ahead and fax it. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and put in scan, and we can file properly in the to be file. That's it.